Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are fine. But this news is about what is Karina Kauf's net worth. OnlyFans account adds $4.2 million to streamers' fortune. Karina Kauf is aiming for becoming one of the richest social media influencers during her appearance on David Dobrik's latest vlog. Corina revealed that she has made over $4 million from her OnlyFans account. Are you curious about her net worth? The YouTuber started her OnlyFans page in June. She already boasted an impressive fan following from YouTube and Instagram. However, her venture has significantly added to her fortune. Streamers' fortune explode. OnlyFans has become a major source of income for several celebrities. They charge their followers a monthly fee to view the exclusive content on their account. Bella Thorne had Gabby Hanna are among social media stars who have joined the online community. While Corina's regular feature on David Dobrik's vlog gained her a hug fan following and an exclusive gaming deal with Facebook Gaming in December 2019. Her OnlyFans account raked a whopping $1 million in less than 48 hours since it was launched. Endeavor's latest vlog, which was uploaded on August 4, Corina revealed that she has made a total of $4.2 million from her OnlyFans account. According to his source, Corina had an estimated net worth of $2 million in 2020, taking into consideration what she has made from the OnlyFans account. She is currently worth more than $6 million if the figure she gives is it to be believed. A look at Karina's source of income. Besides the profit she is making from OnlyFans, Karina also earning from her other social media platform. The 25-year-old enjoys over 6 million followers on Instagram and boasts around 1.77 million subscribers on YouTube. Furthermore, her Twitter accounts, which goes by the handle Portugal, has more than 2.4 million followers. While dating the profits she has made from OnlyFans, Karina is heard telling in David's blog that she made $165,000 from her first picture in the website. Is she getting a new core? Well, friends were still trying to warp their head around the streamer's income from OnlyFans. She took to Twitter a few hours after David's vlog arrest to tell her fans that she was planning on getting a new car for herself. She tweeted, I cannot help myself. I am going to look at care. What's wrong with me? When one Twitter user responded to the twist asked what car she was planning to buy. Karina responded, Lamborghini to match my Ferrari. Lamborghini car. Fans were quick to react to her statement on Twitter. Thanks for making me. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.